Please.
Hi there. So I have a client that I've been working with for a long time, and it's been an ongoing issue with her knee and shoulder where she gets discomfort pain. She's gone to the doctor for the knee. The
Mhm.
knee, there's like no diagnosis. When she goes, she's had MRI and then she's had an X-ray, and they don't see anything wrong with it.
Yeah.
The shoulder just recently has been an ongoing issue for her as well. And
Mhm.
I am, she just had a baby too. So, she's holding the baby a lot with the arm and then working through, oh, is it just the fatigue of the shoulder? Now getting that checked out. Nothing wrong with the X-ray, going for the MRI.
Ah.
The doctor, she was at the orthopedic, says she might have a labral. He's thinking maybe it's a labral tear in the shoulder.
Mhm.
The reason why I bring up the knee and the shoulder is it's on the right side. Well, guess who else? Most of mine is knee and hip. But
Mhm.
so, of course, I know what to do. And I've been working all around all of those issues. But I just, I guess it's just frustrating, because nothing seems to be getting better
Mhm.
for her. And anyway, I just was wondering your thoughts. I don't know.
Yes, I have many thoughts. I'm glad that you share this, and you can see I'm just I write this stuff down, so I make sure I know what we've talked about today. First of all, I appreciate the frustration you have right now of like nothing's getting better. All right. Even though we hope that what we do happens to help people feel better, it doesn't always do that. It's not what our job actually is. Our job is to give a great workout, working around the person's ailment. That's the thing that's important. And it's easy for us to forget that because we get a lot of pressure in the Pilates world of like, we're fixing people. We're not. The thing that human beings need is movement, and a lot of it. Prior to these remarkable modern lives we have, where we don't move that much, we'd be moving all the time. Recent findings are it used to be like women were the gatherers and men were the hunters. No, recent findings are that women were major hunters too. The females were like as busy and major as the men and or as the males, and even if it was just gathering, that would be a lot too. But there's a lot more movement that our bodies are supposed to be doing, and though we don't have to live a survival lifestyle, movement is essential. How often can we get movement into our lives every day, whether it's focused workouts or kneeling down to pet your cat and dog and coming back up, or whatever it is, or like, oh, purposefully dropping food on the floor so you could go down and get it, or at least that's what I'm hoping it is for me. So what's great is that this woman is coming in and getting movement sessions. She's getting a workout that's not going to hurt her more. That's the glory of Pilates, we could get a full body workout, well, working around the injury or ailment, and that can't get done in other kind of workouts. What other workout do you know where that's possible? That's the huge glory of Pilates. And you can't do a HIIT workout with a shoulder and knee issue. You're not going to be lifting weights with shoulder and knee. You're not going to run with that knee. You're not going to be swimming with that shoulder and knee. You're not going to be biking with that knee, although that might actually be good for her. If her doctor's cool with it. So the amazing thing is what you can provide her is as full a body workout as possible, avoiding the injury areas of injury, because the human body, like every other animal's body, requires a lot of movement. And it's for our muscle health, our joint health, our digestive health, our mental health, like every kind of health you could think of, is we need movement. That is really all that we're about. So you're giving her and she's taking an incredible opportunity to move without increased injury. Sometimes we find that the work that we do really helps people hurt less. It restores a balance that's remarkable. Sometimes it doesn't. Or maybe we'll just even could go super extra positive. Maybe it would be so much worse if she wasn't doing the work she's doing with you right now.
Mm-hmm.
So we could think in that way also. So you're already doing something really great with her, and she's getting a great benefit. We cannot expect that people are going to feel better. And we mustn't put that pressure on us that our work is somehow going to heal them. We try the hardest that we can to use our internal intrinsic actions in the vertical workshop to help restore sort of balance. But that's really just to be more efficient and hopefully and effective, hopefully little things that were hurting will feel better. But you're giving her an opportunity for a great workout. That her knee shows no issues on a current MRI or X-ray makes me think that there's some kind of set of imbalances that aren't necessarily in her knee. It's in her ankle, it's in her hip, it's in her low back. It's in her, it could be anywhere else, even if we visually can't see anything in her knee. So of course, work around any pain. And then I would encourage you to keep doing what I know that you're doing. And just remember, she's able to get a really great workout. That's what we could do for every one of our clients, including ourselves. And that's the only thing that we can really expect. I'm getting a great workout, avoiding my areas of pain. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for that, because you're right. I take the onus on, and the fact is that she actually increased the number of days she's coming to me. So I know I'm doing things to make her feel good, and when she leaves, she feels good. It's just whatever's going on is, yes, and I can relate to that.
Yes, and right, we do. The media and the culture of Pilates has put the pressure on us as though we're supposed to fix people. No, you're a high-end personal trainer. You get to direct a really remarkable workout for your clients, whatever their ability level is, whatever their injury level is. And that is, as far as I know, that's unique to Pilates. And that's why it's effective. That's why it's so useful. Human bodies need to move a lot. And so even if it's just in 55 minutes, that's better than the nothing, because they can't do those other workouts with an injury. I can't do them. You can't do them. Nobody can with an injury unless we want to be injured more. So, right. So I think you're absolutely giving her a valuable service, which she recognizes because she's signing up for more. And so, yes, to take the responsibility, that great word, onus, off of yourself and remember what is your responsibility. And that responsibility is huge and wonderful and enough. That's what we need. Yeah. That's great. So let me open it up to everybody else. Does anybody else have a thought, question, or idea to share on that? Recognizing our remarkable responsibility is different than the one that we get pressured with. Right on. Hang on to that, because what we do is genuinely enough. It's really important. So yay. Yes. Boop, boop. All right. So let's see.